Hello friends, in this video we are going to cover the ActiveCampaign integration with ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels 2.0 has default autoresponder feature to create email broadcast, email sequence and automation. If you still want to use ActiveCampaign as a third-party autoresponder, this video is for you. To connect ActiveCampaign or any third-party app that you want to use, you would need to go to the workspace settings, then go to the integrations. Click Connect Integration. Here you will find many third-party apps that you can integrate if needed. Select ActiveCampaign from the list. This information will be required from the ActiveCampaign account to complete the integration. We have already logged into our ActiveCampaign account. Go to the ActiveCampaign account dashboard. Now go to Settings tab and then Developer tab. Now copy URL, copy API key and click Proceed. And we can see the confirmation. That's all you need to do to connect your ActiveCampaign account with your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.